Oh yeah. I have definitely been busy in the boot getting some stuff done. We have our general structure all there and ready to go, so that is awesome. Now I'm at the point where we've got to start making up some fascia panels. So let's have a gander and see where I'm at. See if I'm getting close. Not bad at all. Alright, there's our first template in. Not bad for a first cut. So next I will, you can see we've got a little bit of a bow in it. So that means I need to trim out these corners from where this plastic piece is. You can sort of see it steps out a little bit. So I'll do a little, and then that'll follow up. Cool, I'll get them done. And that should get us pretty close to fitting. Sweet! That'll do, donkey. That definitely works. You can see I've got my notches in, and the panel is actually sitting pretty well flat now. That's actually just a bow in the actual jiggy. But that is good. So now, next bit is work out where my triangle goes in the center. Well, that's gonna be a little bit of fun. Let's make that happen. pretty much all sorted out. Whoa. Big ground point back. Nyong. So we are almost ready to put this big bitch in. Well, we're getting close to getting this boot together. So P6, we probably want to put our Bluetooth module in. So let's do that. Look at all that tasty, tasty guts. See, and your kit comes with everything we need, and obviously replacement back plate with our extra. You can see over here we've got the extra holes on it on our new one, so he will go straight in place. We'll throw our module in first. That easy. You can see he just locks straight into the user port in there, and our plate goes on just like that. Beautiful. All right, screw him back together. Done. There we go. That's our HEC installed. So we can throw our little dick on. Done. Win. So that's a bonus, and that will tuck over nicely like that under my fascia panel. Sweet. Well, now we're at the point of a little bit more trimming. So I've got our corner pieces, which are basically just corners of the top board. So I'll get them trimmed up, and we've got to start getting in the main board. So let's make it happen. Murphy's fucking law. So this one came up mint, perfect. This one was coming up mint, perfect, until that. Absolutely no idea how I did that. Something on the bench has obviously grabbed it. Try again. Okay, time to let the fun begin. It is time to start trimming up my main board. Of course, this is what I've got left. So as you can see, I've got one shot, one opportunity. One opportunity. Well, only way I can do it is by trying. Bring it. Yay, first bit. And that came up sweet. So that's good. Now for the rest of it. Yay. Time for the reveal. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. Oh yeah. Alright, so I have my main panel all trimmed up. I've got all my acrylic sanded down. So this is pretty well right to stick together. So you can see I'm still in 2 parts. But yes. It is time to get this thing glued. So I'm going to attach my little thing down the bottom with just my standoff and get this thing glued up. Yeah, it's that time. Alright, let's get some glue laid down. Oh yeah. Jesus. I was a little bit excited. Right, that is my fascia board all trimmed. Ring is glued in, all ready to go. LED wiring ready, so that is awesome. Now I am getting close in there, and I'll walk over here, and our sub baffle, which is now all painted up. Excuse the big ass fan, it is quite warm. So that is all painted up and looking minty fresh. So I've been busy getting some sub wiring done. That should look pretty awesome when it's in there. So the next thing now is from here, back over here, and I've got our acrylics. So start loading my LEDs up onto this one, and pretty much ready to start piecing together. We're at that point, I get to peel off the plastic. Better get a zoom in on this. Oh yeah.